NPP government has been working tirelessly to open up the mining in our state. We filed the case in 2019, and after 2019 the Supreme Court has lifted the ban on the mining that was there put in by NJT. After that, the Supreme Court had asked government of Meghalaya and India to work on different mining plans and lease to allow proper scientific mining to take place. On this very, very important day, I would like to inform all of you that the day has come. Government of India has finally approved the mining lease for 4 miners. Government of India is now under the process, and Government of Meghalaya is now under the process to do the final paperwork for the scientific mining to start. And within a matter of 60 days from now, scientific mining process will start in the state.